In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI mode in the Chrome address bar in just a few easy steps. This is a super simple feature, and once you know where to find it, you can start asking questions and searching with AI right inside Chrome. It's a quick way to get helpful answers without opening a bunch of extra tabs or searching the old-fashioned way. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click the plus icon to open a new tab. On the new tab page, look at the search bar in the middle of the screen. You should see an option for AI mode there. Go ahead and click on AI mode to activate it. After that, you can type in whatever you want to search for. For example, you could search best laptops for students, and Chrome will use AI mode to help you get a more helpful result. This is great for getting ideas, comparing options, and asking questions in a more natural way. You can keep typing different topics, and AI mode will continue to help guide your search. It's really useful for research, shopping, learning, and finding quick answers faster. So just to recap, open Chrome, open a new tab, click AI mode in the search bar, and then search for anything you want. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.